Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affair of 16 July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. So recently India became the first country to launch traditional knowledge digital library all over the world. So if we talk about traditional knowledge digital library, it is an online platform. It is an online platform with in which traditional knowledge of medicines are available, which can be accessed by anyone and can understand by anyone. So if we talk about who launched the traditional knowledge digital library, it was launched by Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So Council of Scientific and Industrial Research established on 1942 and its headquarters in New Delhi. So traditional knowledge digital library launched in India. Next question. Recently, new governor has been appointed in Haryana, that is Professor Ashim Kumar Ghosh. Ashim Kumar Ghosh has become the new governor of Haryana. So if we talk about who appoint the governor, so governor are appointed by the president under Article 155. So 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956 says that common governor can be appointed between the states. So one governor can lead two states. Next question. 15th Hockey India Sub Junior Women National Championship 25 winner is Hockey Jharkhand. So if we talk about Hockey India Sub Junior Women National Championship organized in Jharkhand from 3 to 14 July, in which the winner team is Hockey Jharkhand and the runner-up team is Hockey Odisha. Next question. Saroja Devi has been passed away associated with cinema. Recently, B. Saroja Devi has been passed away. She is related to cinema, acting. Exercise Talisman Sabre 2025 will be organized in Australia from 13 July to 4th August. Exercise Talisman Sabre, in which India will also be participating. Behadin Khlam Festival celebrated in Meghalaya by Jaintia tribe for the crop production and for protection from the diseases. Next question. World Youth Skill Day has been celebrated on 15 July. On 15 July, World Youth Skills Day has been celebrated. Its theme is Youth Empowerment through AI and Digital Skills. Youth Empowerment through AI and Digital Skills. First digital nomad village has become Sikkim. So if we talk about digital nomad village are those villages in which all the internet facilities are provided so that the remote workers can work through digitally. So all the internet services are provided in the village. This service is launched for those workers who can work through remote areas or in any place like stock marketing, online editing, etc. So it is helpful in their work. Next question. ICC Women's Player of the Month become Aden Markham. Aden Markham became the ICC Men's Player of the Month in June 2025. Now we will talk about important questions of 16 July. So Mamata Banerjee led a rally on 16 July in Kolkata to protest against what issue? So Mamata Banerjee led a rally for labeling Bengalis as Bangladesh migrant. So labeling Bengalis as Bangladesh migrants. Where is India's first Khanjiri Bhajan contest being held in July 2025? So Khanjiri Bhajan contest being held in Nagpur. Nagpur will hold Khanjiri Bhajan festival. It is cultural festivals. So guys, we have completed important current affair of 16 July. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and thank you.